Scarlett Snowbello is having such a fun time in Europe. On Instagram, the 8-year-old shared photos from their family trip to Jardin d'Acclimatation, an amusement park in Paris. In the photos, Scarlett posed beside a horse, took pictures of her parents, Vicky Bello and Hayden Co., and smiled with her newfound friends. "A day in my Paris playground," she wrote in the caption. The Bello Co family spent Christmas in Spain before flying to Paris. Vicky Bello and Hayden Co got married in Paris in 2017. Scarlett Snow is their only child together. Just recently, the Bello Medical Group CEO and founder talked about her journey of surviving breast cancer in 2016.